guys, welcome back to another video. It's Trey the DIY Ninja. If you're new to the channel, make sure to click the subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and thumbs up this video to help with the YouTube algorithm so that more people can see this. And leave a comment down below if you have any comments or questions. Today I'm going to be making this graphic that I made. It says Ninja Unicorn, and it's a ninja riding a unicorn. So yeah, we're going to be sublimating this on a 100% white cotton t-shirt. I have my pressing mat in between the layers of the t-shirt over there with a butcher paper over it. If you don't know my sublimation technique, make sure to check out, actually I don't know when I'll post this, but I do have a video showing you how I did that, and I will actually make a sublimation 101 video for you guys, so stay tuned. And right over there I have my Cricut Easy Press 2, I believe it's a 9 by 12, 10 by 12 inch one, the largest one basically, that heats up to 400 degrees. I have it going right now at 400 degrees for 60 seconds as the timer. I have already lint rolled and I have my heat tape cut and ready since I don't have a heat tape dispenser. I'm thinking about getting one, but it's kind of pricey for just a dispenser, but it is very handy, so who knows. Anyways, like I said, I already lint rolled my shirt. I'm waiting for my Cricut Easy Press to preheat, and then I will preheat the shirt to get rid of any moisture and to smooth out the surface, and I'll show you what that looks like when we get back. Okay, so my Cricut Easy Press is ready to go. Just wanted to tell you that I printed this on my Epson ET2760 EcoTank printer that I converted into sublimation. I'll put the link up here if you haven't seen it yet. And I'm using a sub paper that I bought from Amazon. Link will be down below in the description box. And this print setting is on premium presentation matte paper with high quality ink. High quality printing. Okay, let's preheat the shirt. So I'm just gonna take the Easy Press and just hold it over the area here for about 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just make sure I get the entire area nice and hot. Okay. Then I'm going to actually let it cool a little bit because I don't want the transfer activate the ink on the transfer paper activating when I'm trying to position it. So you can actually let this cool. It's still really hot, so I'm just gonna let this cool. Another tip is to make sure when you're handling your transfer not to touch the printed areas because oils from your hands can actually affect the print or the print transfer. And then I'm going to just take this and just bend the very top. I fold it in half and I bend the very top so I know where the center is. Okay, so there's a little crease that I can feel, but you won't be able to see it, but I can feel it here. And I'm just taking a glance at my image to make sure I know where exactly to press. So this actually takes up most of the page. Don't mind the background chatter, that's my son. He's in his high chair eating yogurt. So yeah, he likes to talk a lot, especially to himself. Okay, so it looks like I'm going to line it up according to the tag here of the shirt. And I put the shirt about 3 or 4 fingers down. So hopefully line this up with my mat. Here we go. And my mat is pressed up against the edge of the table just so I know that that's straight. So actually I will just line this up here. Let's move it over a little bit. Yeah, that's better. Move about 3 fingers on each side of the mat and about 3 fingers on each side of the shirt. So when you're happy with the placement, I put it a little lower than the edge of the pressing mat because it's kind of like, it'll be 4 fingers. I'm going to just take my heat tape and tape it down the corners. I know the corners don't have any image on there, so that's where you're going to want to put your heat tape. You don't want to put your heat tape where there is your image on the back because it will affect the transfer as well. So I have my heat tape. And this is all curled up. Let's just make sure this is straight again. And it might be helpful sometimes if you just fold an end. I didn't do these. I didn't do that for the other 3 that I just put on. But that way you can just, oops, where's the end here? It's kind of hard for me to see because it's white paper on a white shirt. But, oops, I just moved my shirt. Yeeks. Okay. I think that should be okay now. Okay. So that way you can just like lift up the tape easier. Then you're gonna need butcher paper. So like I said, I have butcher paper on top of my pressing mat in between the shirt layers. And you're going to need another piece of butcher paper on the very top here. I like to line my butcher paper at the top of my mat. And I know that if it reaches all the way to the bottom. Okay, and I will just put this on. It kind of slides a bit, so that's what the heat tape is for. And then I'll press the C on my Cricut, and I'm going to push all my body weight. I'm standing up while doing this, and I'm just going to push all my body weight down. Okay, and when 60 seconds is up, we'll take a look at the reveal. Okay, 60 seconds is up. Now let's just take off our butcher paper. And I always fold it in half because you never know if the ink transfers through or not. You don't want to reuse this for sublimation, but you can reuse this for other things like letting your kids draw in and doodle. Use it as like, you know, table covering if you're doing other crafts. You don't want to get your table dirty. But yeah, and then if you don't want to do anything with it, you can just recycle it. Okay. So, what I like to do actually is just take this, use this a little bit of a fan to pull it down to where it would be cool enough for me to peel off the tape because it's really hot. Ooh, it's like burning hot. Some people say to let it cool for like 15 to 30 seconds, but you don't want to do a cold peel. You want to peel this as hot as possible where you can tolerate it without it burning you. So what I like to do, like I left this tab here, and then just peel it. That's really good. Just get the tape. There, but here is what's left on my transfer. Just peel off the excess tape. Oh, wow, this looks so clean. Let me get you guys a close-up. Alright guys, check it out. It's so clean. Let's just get a super close-up. Okay, it's kind of blurry. Oops. Okay, let's see. I think this came out perfect. Yeah, thumbs up this video for a perfect sublimation print. That's so awesome. Okay, so what I do next is actually take out the pressing mat, put the paper on here because it actually retains the heat and you don't want your shirt to continue sublimating and gassing out. So here's the mat that I covered with parchment paper. Also make sure to discard this. And there's my pressing mat. Okay, I'll be right back with the final look. Hey guys, sorry, my baby finished his yogurt. He wanted to get down. Okay. It's awesome. Riding his little car right now, so he's making a ton of noise. But yeah, check it out. I hung the shirt on the back of the chair just because I'm too lazy to put it on. But yeah, it's so cute. I love it. It's beautiful. I'm actually making this as a gift, so hopefully whoever gets this likes it as much as I do. But yeah, the print is so bright and so clear. Okay, baby. It looks so much better in person. Like, it's super bright, super vibrant, and it feels so nice. It's so professional. Anyways, I'm super happy with this project today. Hopefully you guys will give this a try. If you want this graphic, let me know. I think I will start selling my designs, but I mean, I do sell them on print on demand currently, so if you don't want to make them and you just want one of these shirts, you can buy them on Teespring and Redbubble. The links are in my Instagram bios, and my Instagram bios are, the handles are in the description below. Anyways, thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.